Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and color alphabet H with heart. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Light blue color, red color, brown color, light green color, orange color, yellow color, black color, purple color, pink color, dark green color. Amazing work, kids. Now let's start drawing together. First we will draw alphabet H. Kids, this is alphabet H. H. This is alphabet H. H is for heart. Kids, H is for heart. Amazing work, kids. Now let's start coloring. H is for heart. This is alphabet H. H is orange. This is alphabet H. Amazing work, kids. This is red color. H is for heart. Heart. H E A R T. Heart. H is for heart. Amazing work, kids. Our alphabet H with heart drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next one drawing. Keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you for watching the video.